Are the ingredients that we'll be needing to prepare this stock. I have 2 onions. I'll be using half of the purple onion. I have ginger and garlic paste and 1 hot habanero pepper. Here I have 1 tablespoon of seasoning stock, that is boiling cubes. I have a half teaspoon of salt and curry and thyme teaspoon. I just cut, and I will also crush the onion and the habanero pepper. Yes, if you do it this way, remember we are trying to get a delicious and aromatic stock. If you do it this way, I mean crushing the onion and the pepper, you will get enough taste. Yes, they will infuse quickly inside the turkey wings. We do it like this even at home. We pound it with mortar, and after pounding them, you rinse the mortar with water to get all of them out, and that is exactly what I'll be doing here, rinsing the cup of the blender to get all my onions out of it. Don't throw it away, please. So next is to pour in the seasonings. Please, you are using enough seasoning stock here. That is the main important one. Yes, you can use 1.5 if you like it so sweet, but I use 1 spoon. Yes, please, when you're adding it in your stock, please make sure that whenever you're using that stock, you won't be using more seasonings, or you just add little seasoning if it is needed, because if you use the stock and you add more seasonings or salt to it, you won't like that dish. All right, so stir very well. I am stirring very well, and I'm going to cover it to steam just like for 5 minutes before I'll go ahead and add another water. So this turkey have been steaming there for 5 minutes. I'll just stir it again properly before I add 1 liter of water. I am adding 1 liter of water because I want this stock to be thick. I don't want it to be light. I want to get the maximum benefit of those ingredients that I added there. I will also be leaving in the description box below the fried rice, shrimp fried rice that I use the stock to cook. In case you have not watched it, please do where to go and watch that video to see how delicious I used the stock to prepare that dish. I'll also leave the link. It will pop up here now. So now I am adding 1 liter, and remember, while the turkey is boiling, it will also be releasing some water and oil. So imagine adding 1 liter of water, you will also get that 1 liter or more of it, because the turkey have released its juices and the water and oil, so you have more than 1 liter after you finish boiling it. So this is how I calculated it. I'll just go ahead and leave it to boil until the turkey is cooked. Yes, this is it. Look at that turkey. Look at the juice of those stock. They are not light, they are not too thick. Look at it, the consistency is just perfect. So what I'm going to do now is just to take it out from take the turkey out of the stock and sieve my water out, and there you get your stock. After taking the stock out, I'll just sieve out the raised stock and the onion, ginger and garlic that is left in it. I will not throw it away. I will just keep it for the next use. Please, when you are doing this, use a sieve that have handle. Don't mind me. It is not really hot for me, but please don't do it this way. Yeah, and here is the stock. You can use it immediately, or you can save it for another day. Use a container and save it in your freezer. Don't leave it in the fridge for so long, or else it will spoil. Look at it, keep it in the freezer. You will actually need it. Someday you will just need it, and you grab them, melt it and cook your food. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.